Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Lazy Ninja. Let's begin. On Friday morning, all of Lazy Ninja's friends were headed out to play dodgeball. They asked Lazy Ninja to come, but he said no. Instead, Lazy Ninja stayed in his room and played video games. When everyone was headed to a slime fight and asked Lazy Ninja to join, he answered, "I don't think so." Instead, Lazy Ninja lounged on the couch eating twinkles and binge watched Netflix. Or it's Netflix. Netflix. When his friends asked him to play soccer, Lazy Ninja responded, "Nah." Instead, Lazy Ninja opted to stay on the couch and nap. Well, it's good that he's napping. That afternoon, his good friend Inventor Ninja came over and asked, "Do you want to know one of my tricks when I'm wet? I put on my tennis shoes and tie them up." Lazy Ninja groaned and Lazy Ninja moaned and groaned, but he reluctantly put on his shoes and tied them up. "Get sun and exercise gets your heart pumping," said Inventor Ninja. "It's really good for us." "Yeah, you're right. This is great," exclaimed Lazy Ninja. Then Inventor Ninja suggested they create something fun for Grumpy Ninja's birthday party that evening. Being creative helps us stay motivated. This was fun to make," said Lazy Ninja. "Thank you for being such a good friend." After they were done, the ninjas enjoyed a snack and talked about what they planned to do when they grew up. Writing down goals and reading them can motivate us. It was time for Inventor Ninja to go, but he promised to meet up with Lazy Ninja later that party. Bye-bye. Afterwards, Lazy Ninja was getting ready to watch the next episode of Finn Farted when he remembered that the party started at 5 p.m. And do you know what he did next? He put on his shoes and tied them up. If you're ever feeling unmotivated, just put on your tennis shoes and tie them up. Doing this sets you into motion. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!